Hey folks, this is simply dream come true. It was horrible, yeah. So couldn't sleep the whole night because of my throat has been too dry now.
I lost my breath twice and my BP was very low. I didn't sleep whole night, just praying that the morning should come up as soon as possible, as early possible.
Hey folks, after a long tiring journey, we finally reached Pangong Lake.
It's way too cold, man.
But you've been waiting for this
Yeah.
for a long time. So how's the experience? How's the first feeling of seeing this lake?
It's huge, man. It's huge and beautiful.
So guys, we are on the Indian side of Pangong Lake. The lake is so huge that we need to travel, let's say, another 5-6 hours in order to reach the Chinese side of the port.
It's been called as the Three Idiots Lake, okay? It's a
Okay.
fact of it.
Yeah, so he was, I think, 12 years old.
Yeah.
He was 12 years old and I was around 18 when Three Idiots released, and this lake at that time had mesmerized us, and that's when, from that time, we always had this thing that we had to visit this lake someday.
And this is the camp that we're staying in, Himalayan Inn. And this is just facing Pangong Lake. Beautiful view from here, and it's amazing. And here's our camp. Here's how it looks like. This is the camp that we're staying in. This is the tent. There's a double bed. Mrs. Ananya Sarkar, how do you find the camp?
First time it's very scary. I don't
Yeah?
know how will I.
Is this the first time that you're staying in a camp?
How will she survive, huh?
I need to be alive by tomorrow.
Hey, good morning folks. आवाज़ बहुत खस्ता है मेरी बिकॉज कल रात बहुत ख़तरनाक गई. पूरी रात हम सो नहीं पाए बिकॉज सिर्फ ठंड नहीं थी, इट वाज वेरी विंडी. सांस नहीं ली जा पा रही थी और पूरी रात लगभग हम सब ऑक्सीजन टैंक्स पे थे. और इट्स अनबेरेबल फॉर पीपल हु आर नॉट एबल टू हु डोंट लाइक कैंप्स. उनके लिए वुडन कॉटेजेस हैं, आप प्रेफर करें उसे rather than camps, because this is a very sad thing, because if you get sick probably miss out on anything that there is. And see the sunrise and see Pangong Lake in the background. That's the only hope for you कि आप सुबह के कुछ आप स्माइल कर सकें. जब मैंने सुबह देखा तो मुझे काफ़ी अच्छा लगा, बट हेल्थ वाइज काफ़ी ख्याल रखनी है आपको. जितने ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा कपड़े हैं उतने पहने. मैं अभी कम से कम 4-5 कपड़े पहन चुका हूँ, एंड इफ स्टिल नॉट इनफ, सो होपफुली दिस इन्फॉर्मेशन कैन हेल्प यू इन सम वे. Ah.